Welcome to WTF.
I was about to introduce us.
I know you were, but trust me, Mike.
No.
We've learned a lot about trust.
I don't trust you.
And I think the guys,
Yeah.
we've started it. This is it, guys.
Absolutely.
The next couple of years, we are going deep, and we want you guys to come with us, share the story with us, help us figure this out, and guys, get us into your organizations. Let's start the conversation.
Absolutely. Because you know what, at the end of the day, this is all I have to say. You're either going to be building trust or you're going to be going bust.
I'm going to give him a chance to say that again.
I think I need it. You're either going to be building trust or you are going to be going bust.
Maybe I'll try it. Trust or go bust.
Build trust or go bust. That's better. Build trust or go bust.
Okay. And on that hashtag, see you.
Cheers.